Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making the ultimate comfort food. Super cheesy baked potatoes. They're fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside, and loaded with glorious melted cheese. It's so easy, you'll be making this all the time. First, grab 2 large potatoes, give them a good scrub, and poke them a few times with a fork. Rub them with a little oil and salt, then bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour until they're tender. Once they're done, slice them open and fluff up the inside. Now, for the best part, add a knob of butter, a generous spoonful of sour cream, and season with salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. Then pile on a whole cup of your favorite shredded cheesime using a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. Pop them back in the oven for just a few minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Finish it off with some fresh spring onions or parsley, and there you have it. Perfect cheesy baked potatoes. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.